Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore the Mediterranean diet and cuisine. Not only is this diet delicious, but it also offers numerous health benefits. Let's dive into what makes the Mediterranean diet so special, how it can improve our health, and some tasty dishes you can try at home. The Mediterranean diet is inspired by the traditional eating patterns of countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, such as Greece, Italy, Spain, Egypt, Morocco, and Lebanon. It's a way of eating that emphasizes fruits and vegetables as staple in the Mediterranean diet, providing essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Foods like whole grain bread, pasta, and brown rice are preferred over refined grains. Olive oil is the primary source of fat, rich in monounsaturated fats that are good for heart health. Fish and seafood are consumed regularly, while red meat is eaten sparingly. Plant-based proteins like beans and legumes are also important. Cheese and yogurt are enjoyed in moderation. Herbs and spices add flavor without the need for excess salt. Recent research has highlighted numerous health benefits associated with the Mediterranean diet. Studies show that the Mediterranean diet can reduce the risk of heart disease. A study published in the New England Journal of Medicine in 2021 found that those following a Mediterranean diet had a significantly lower risk of cardiovascular events compared to those on a low-fat diet. The Mediterranean diet helps manage blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Research in diabetes care in 2022 demonstrated that individuals following this diet had better glycemic control and insulin sensitivity. The diet promotes weight loss and helps maintain a healthy weight. A 2023 study in Obesity Reviews found that participants on the Mediterranean diet lost more weight compared to those on other diets. The diet has been linked to a lower risk of cognitive decline in Alzheimer's disease. A 2022 review in Alzheimer's dementia reported that adherence to the Mediterranean diet was associated with better cognitive function and a reduced risk of dementia. Some studies suggest that the Mediterranean diet may reduce the risk of certain cancers. A 2023 study in Cancer Epidemiology, Biomarkers Prevention found that high adherence to the Mediterranean diet was associated with a lower risk of cancer. Let's break down some of the key components of this diet and how they contribute to health. 1. Olive oil. Rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, olive oil helps reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. 2. Fish and seafood. High in omega-3 fatty acids. These foods promote heart health and reduce inflammation. 3. Fruits and vegetables packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They support overall health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 4. Nuts and seeds. These provide healthy fats, protein, and fiber, helping to keep you full and satisfied. 5. Whole grains. Unlike refined grains, whole grains retain their nutrients and fiber, aiding digestion and blood sugar control. Some popular Mediterranean dishes you can easily prepare at home include: 1. Greek salad is prepared using a mix of fresh tomatoes, cucumbers, olives, feta cheese, and a drizzle of olive oil. 2. Hummus is a creamy dip made from blended chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, and garlic. Perfect with fresh vegetables or whole grain pita. 3. Grilled fish is made by marinating fish in olive oil, lemon, and herbs, then grilled to perfection. It's served with a side of vegetables. 4. Tabbouleh is a salad made from bulgur wheat, parsley, mint, tomatoes, and onions, dressed with lemon juice and olive oil. 5. Ratatouille is a French Provençal stewed vegetable dish, typically including eggplant, zucchini, bell peppers, and tomatoes. Incorporating the Mediterranean diet into your daily routine can be simple and enjoyable. Start with small changes. Replace butter with olive oil, choose whole grain options, and add more fruits and vegetables to your meals. Plan your meals around plant-based foods and include fish and seafood a few times a week. Take the time to enjoy your meals with family and friends. The Mediterranean diet is not just about food, but also about the social aspects of eating. The Mediterranean diet is a flavorful and healthy way of eating that offers numerous health benefits. By incorporating more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats into your diet, you can improve your overall health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Give it a try and experience the delicious flavors and health benefits of Mediterranean cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or need personalized advice, feel free to reach out. Let's embrace the Mediterranean way of eating for a healthier and happier life.